In this tutorial, we will examine the cracking process. One of the carbon-carbon bonds breaks, so one of the carbon-carbon bonds in the chain will break. For example, this bond between these two carbon atoms is becoming weak and will break. So this bond is broken now and these two carbons are no longer bonded to each other. Then one of the carbon-hydrogen bonds breaks in the shorter hydrocarbon. So a carbon-hydrogen bond will break now. But which one? The carbon-hydrogen bond which will break is in the shorter chain. We have two chains. The smaller one or the shorter one is this one, so a carbon-hydrogen bond in this chain will break. The hydrogen atom moves apart from the rest of the hydrocarbon. A double bond will form between these two carbon atoms. So now we have an alkene. So one of the products of cracking is an alkene. The remaining hydrogen will form a bond with the carbon atom in the longer chain. So now this is an alkane, which is shorter than the starting alkane. So cracking process is complete now. A long alkane was broken and produced an alkene and a shorter alkane. Alkenes will be used to synthesize plastics, and shorter alkanes are used as fuels or energy sources.